don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Lona Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by T55 Infinity.
Oh, let's see, bro.
And Parks FBI.
Actually, my friend too. Sanbonan, my friend's way too. Hey, my brother, I wrote this last time we played against Sundowns there at Orlando Stadium. I think we were playing MTN 8.
Yes.
I said we knew it's not going to be difficult.
Yes.
It will be difficult, but we're going to keep moving.
Yes.
I still say it even today.
Sure.
By that game, we were after losing against Kukune and Marumo Kalans. I knew that this game will come again. And loss will come. We lost it against Sundowns today.
Sure.
But I still say even today. We've got 17 games, 16 games. We're still above them.
3 points.
With 3 points. After all, if Bahlanganisa, win a game in hand, we equal. Unless abakora magula mabhaya, then they will stay on top. But other than that, mina ngithi sesekhona kule race. And I like this season ukuthi sonke si equal. Sivaya so. Not ukuthi ufike ku 16 games abanye sebana 38. Abanye bana 15. Abanye balapha ku number 9. Babangena ubanwela ukungena ku position 8. Yangithola. But this season bakhona nabo. Bakhona duzana. Ne? So ngithi mina this season sazoba mnandi.
Thank you twin.
Sazoba mnandi.
Thank you twin. Infinity team demo.
Mina ngiyakhala.
Khalani njalo.
Khala ngoLeon. Ngicabanga ukuthi fanele simbusele eColombia le ntwana le. Fanele simbusele eColombia le.
We need a refund. We need a refund.
Yasibasela.
Two chances to go.
Le ntwana le
ungakamnikezi ungakamgayile chance. Stella ma cricket. And the mothers put to meza. They are saluting
yazi mina ngizwela abantu abazayo after yabona ukuthi Sundowns senzeni isithintela singathinteki khona yangithola so laba abazayo the next 2 games lezayo angazi ukuthi abobani angazi ukuthi abobani boyisuthi nduku boyisuthi nduku so let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. It's not the news. It's not the news. It's an activation. It's not the news. It's an activation. But activate.
Utusabeli Kaizer Chiefs.
The Kaizer Chiefs. Balwambele ngashoni.
Unashapa bukai.
one thing.
What you mean?
Namhlanje uyayibona ukuthi kayipheli ngoba inhliziyo
namuhla bathi ngiyaselebrate. It's fine, my brother. It's a lose. abantu bajwayele ukudliwa Brian yangithola nathi namuhla sifile nyana i-test nyana ukudliwa nyana kancane nyana
after you
once nyana kancane yangithola maybe labafana laba baphuzisa amalege abafana abami basegroundini baphuzisa amalege elisa amalege ayinasihlamahlama yangithola maybe bathe bafike ehoteleni maybe
izamaleke bashaye bangene FNB namhlanje
and then ngiyakhala futhi next time ngiyacela ukuthi Sundowns bangasilethi lana man isitela nje sesiphathi le abasise sigodini earena Brian sebekhombisa ibhola yangithola bona basatha basiletha lana la ile party Kaizer Chiefs lokuthi sidliwe lana ile party Kaizer Chiefs always basizana siyadliwa why bangathathi basise sigodini why bangathathi basise sigodini
Boss,
yangithola
thank you Brian. Uthetho ubani wakuletha la FNB?
angazi lo ngithethe Hortman
No, but
lo ngithethe Hortman
ibe home game ngaba.
angalo angithi ngithi ngiyakhala ngiyabatshela umanagement ukuthi ngiyanicela ukuthi next time angifuni nina la
FNB baholesa sisi.
langithola nalo abantu bahola amasasa man of the match Hortman nami makhehleni makhawula mfowethu cash content yangithola and not like a boy Mbuthuma I love you so much Ntwana ngicela ningiphini chance Mbuthuma bafowethu ngicela niphela ama player awethu i chance wonke ama player adlala iPirate badeserve ukudlala iPirate ngiyangicela kwesibili ukubhuka ama players singabapheleli inhliziyo namuhla ithi ungitshela inhliziyo ukuthi wasiluzile we wanted ukuthi uKhadosi abe khona mfowethu kahle kahle sibenzele ifavor nabahlaba for the league abafungi ngiyangithola so today we lost because we wanted Khadosi because ngoba iSundowns idliwe Khadosi la ezohamba namuhla so we still need Khadosi ngapha ngiyangithola
wewasho mshaya
ngiyangithola ngiyayifana
Thank you, Njayam.